The time is here to share my new kitchen nook furniture along with some early spring French-inspired table decor filled with style and personality mixed with traditional pieces at fabulous prices. Over the holidays, I partnered with City Furniture over on my Instagram, and I was at the Ocoee, Florida location having a great time visiting their showroom and checking out all of their unique pieces. You will find gems you didn't know you needed. I was in need of a new table for our eating nook, and I came across the Sonoma wood table that had a feature that I just could not live without. This is Nina. She's showing us a demonstration of how this amazing table operates. It comes with two leaves that you never ever have to take out. It folds under the table, and you can expand the table when you need more space. Then I came across a Stop You in Your Tracks Banquet. This is just stunning, and it's by Bernhardt Furniture, and I'll share that in a bit. The night before, I wanted to do a little cleaning on our floors and windows before the furniture arrived, and to my surprise, Melissa and her husband Chad from Clean My Space here on YouTube sent me their maker's mop to share with you guys. I've been a fan of Melissa's YouTube channel for years, and I'm really honored and I'm really proud of her to share this fabulous mop with you guys. You will receive a mop handle, a mop head, and two everyday mop pads and two deep cleaning pads that are great for getting into crevices. The swift lock is at the base and where I'm attaching it, and it's designed to keep your mop head stationary when you're cleaning your windows, shower doors, or walls, and of course, your floors. Our floors require no cleaning solutions, just plain water. It will not leave streaks. It's also less likely to damage the protective coating on our floors. I've pre-soaked my mop pad as recommended by Melissa, and I'm applying the everyday mop pad. It's quick and it's easy. Just place the back of the pad onto the Velcro pad and press firmly on the Velcro. The U-shaped mop pad allows you to get the dust off the baseboards and crevices that are impossible to get with a flat mop head. After cleaning the floors, I gave our back doors a good cleaning, and I love how the swivel head gets into the crevices. Another feature that I love is that the mop head is adjustable and it will lock into position, and it also has this rubber ring that I just love for when you lean up against the wall, it doesn't fall. I will leave a clickable link to Maker's Mop down below in my description box. Let's decorate. I've updated my curtains and curtain rods for something with a little color, and these drapes are from Target. The hubster is making sure that our table is functioning after it arrived, and he's removing the packaging off the banquet. Here's the complete look. We absolutely love it. I'm in love with the dark wood tones of the table. It's tough, it's rugged, and it will be here for a very long time. I also kept a few of our side chairs because I love them so much, and added new head chairs that are slip covers for easy cleaning. I am loving the look of this romantic tablescape created using items from the Petal and Stone lifestyle collection that's exclusive to Christmas tree shops and that. It's a chic blend of French country and affordable vintage inspired pieces filled with elegance and comfort. I've added extra style with the Petal and Stone crochet placemats and their salad plates that also come in dinner plates as well. The floral design is soft and inviting. A beautiful lumbar pillow was added to the banquet, and all of the colors are beautifully muted. The centerpiece is quaint and ready for breakfast or dinner. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I will leave a clickable link to Christmas tree shops and that, so you can check and see if there's a store near you, and I want to thank you all for watching.